When it comes to women, keeping them interested or attracted, it's hard. Most of you have had a situation where you're texting a girl and all of a sudden she's going cold on you. She's not texting you back. She's not giving you the attention that she's originally giving you. Today, boys, I'm going to show you how to grab her attention and also keep it. Let's go. Number one, expansive body language. Now, I'm not telling you to walk around like a tool, but I am telling you to expand your body. Not just me, science. And look, BuzzFeed, yeah, they'll tell you, yo, stop manspreading because whatever. I'm telling you, and science is telling you, like, yo, yeah, adopt some expansive body language. It makes you look more dominant. According to this study, this is a great way to attract the attention of a girl, especially when there's zero acquaintance, like you've never even met her. Now, again, like I said, you're not going to be standing like a tool, but just be relaxed. Claim your space. Adopt that power shoulder width stand position. Number two, strong eye contact. Eye tracking tech has been studying the importance that we place on eye contact ever since we're infants. Ultimately, eye contact is so powerful that through eye tracking tech, you can distinguish which type of eye contact tells you if you're just in love or you just sexually desire somebody. And more impressive studies suggest that prolonged eye contact forces the central nervous system to release oxytocin and, excuse my pronunciation, phenylethylamine, one of which is considered the love chemical and the second considered a cuddling hormone. This is why eye contact is crucial when talking to a girl, to get that initial interest and then keeping that prolonged eye contact to spike up that sexual desire. Look, most guys break though. Most guys can't keep that eye contact, which impedes them from getting to that point of building up that oxytocin in her brain, which is why I've told you so many times, if you feel uncomfortable, wear a pair of glasses. Like if you're outside, throw on a pair of frames and having a conversation, you'll immediately feel more comfortable, stronger, dominant, because you're hiding behind a physical structure. On her side, she still feels like you're having that strong, confident conversation with her. Frames are a powerful tool not only to make you look more attractive, but also give you that internal confidence you need so you can have conversations with people. If you want to wear frames 24/7, I've always recommended buy blue light blocking glasses. See, blue light blocking glasses are great, like those, because they're clear, you don't need prescription, and they're functional. You use them to protect your eyes from the digital blue light that phones, computers, and tablets emit. However, they offer similar support where, since it's a balanced structure, your face looks more balanced, and since you have a structure on your face, you feel a little more secure behind that physical object, and you're allowed to have that stronger conversation. Don't believe me? Yo, test it out yourself. I'm gonna have Jade Black linked down below. Pick up a pair of frames, just one. First of all, look at what the reviews are saying. Like, don't just take my word for it. We have over 6,000 positive 5-star reviews from men all over the world telling you the same thing. Like, these are the best frames you'll ever buy. This is the best bang for your buck. For only 49 bucks, you're getting frames that designer houses use. See, all the quality that we use, the Mazzucchelli acetate, which, by the way, Google it. Like, go ahead and Google it. I'm name dropping the house so you can do your research. Google it. Every frame that uses the acetate that we're using sells for $150, $200, up to $500. Why? Well, because I don't want to call it highway robbery, but they're basically price gauging versus me. Like when I design product, I like to use the best quality I can find. And since I'm offering to you, my own brothers, I'm trying to offer it to you at the lowest price possible. And for 49 bucks, like, yo, it is a steal. And what do you got to lose? Pick up one pair, see how good you look, and see how confident you're going to feel. If you guys want to check out Jade Black, they're going to be linked down below. Number three, have an abundance mentality. And what I'm getting at here is that too many guys have this mentality when it comes to girls that it's scarce. Like, there's not enough girls out there, and that one girl he likes, he has to do everything and anything he can to get her to like you back. What you don't understand is that when you take that scarcity mentality approach, you now become easy to have, and your value in her eyes goes down. Once you start understanding that there's over 4 billion other options out there, and you stop caring about whatever outcome happens with that specific girl, that's the exact moment when you start getting comfortable. You start getting more confident, and your time is what becomes scarce. And that is how you keep her engaged and keep her attention, because now she's fighting for your scarce time versus you just giving her all your time like a desperate little puppy. Not to mention, because you're not giving her all the attention, there's thrill inside of her not knowing what your intentions are. That drives women crazy, and it keeps her engaged, which rolls us on to number 4. Offer her some food. Whether that's you having her eat from your ice cream cone, offering her a slice of pizza, maybe some chocolate covered strawberries that you both made together, The point is that the action of feeding her doesn't just feed her stomach, but her stomach could be a straight way path to her heart. I mean, just listen to this. According to this specific study, food offering is one of the earliest behavioral regulatory interactions between parent and child. That type of bond is kind of replicated when you do that as well. And finally, number 5, use the right pickup line. And I'm not even talking about the cheesy ones. See, yes, science actually has studied the cheesy ones, and over 90% of women have come back saying that they're basically useless. What they did find was that a straightforward, direct approach where your intentions are 100% clear was the best method. So you don't have to go crazy with it.
What's your best chat up line?
Oh. Hi.
Was that it?
Undefeated.
Hi.
You know what else is undefeated? Hi, I'm Jack.
You're shaking.
That's it, boys. Keep it simple. Don't over stress it. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 tricks you can do to keep any girl's attention. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black. If you guys want a sick pair of frames, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.